In the dynamic world of project management, staying organized, collaborative, and on track can feel like navigating a complex maze. Whether you're launching a new product, organizing a marketing campaign, or developing a software application, effective project execution is the bedrock of success. This is where project management tools step in, and among them, Nifty stands out as a comprehensive platform designed to streamline your workflows and empower your team. Think of Nifty as your central command center for all things project-related. It's more than just a task list. It's a holistic environment where communication flows seamlessly, progress is transparent, and potential roadblocks are identified early. For those venturing into project management or seeking to enhance their current practices for educational purposes, understanding how a tool like Nifty supports effective project execution is invaluable. Let's delve into the key ways Nifty can be your trusted partner in achieving project goals. 1. Centralized organization, keeping everything in one place. One of the biggest challenges in project management is juggling multiple spreadsheets, email threads, and scattered documents. Nifty addresses this by providing a centralized platform where all project-related information resides. Tasks, files, discussions, and timelines are all neatly organized within dedicated project spaces. Imagine you're managing the launch of a new website. Instead of searching through countless emails to find the latest design mockups or the content calendar, everything is readily accessible within the website launch project in Nifty. This eliminates time wasted on searching and ensures everyone on the team is working with the most up-to-date information. For educational purposes, this highlights the fundamental principle of organized project documentation and communication. 2. Enhanced task management, breaking down complexity. Large projects can often feel overwhelming. Nifty's robust task management features allow you to break down complex projects into smaller, manageable tasks and subtasks. You can assign responsibilities, set deadlines, and track progress at a granular level. Consider a software development project. Instead of a single developed software task, you can create subtasks like design user interface, code login functionality, and test payment gateway. Each subtask can be assigned to a specific developer with a clear due date. This breakdown not only makes the project less daunting, but also allows for better tracking of individual contributions and potential delays. This illustrates the importance of work breakdown structures, WBS, in project management. 3. Visual progress tracking, staying informed at a glance. Knowing the status of a project is crucial for proactive management. Nifty offers various visual tools, such as Kanban boards, Gantt charts, and list views, to provide real-time insights into project progress. A marketing team running a campaign can use a Kanban board in Nifty to visualize the different stages of content creation: idea, drafting, review, and published. Team members can move tasks between these stages, providing a clear visual representation of the workflow and highlighting any bottlenecks. Gantt charts offer a timeline view, showcasing task dependencies and deadlines, which is essential for understanding the project schedule. These visual aids are powerful tools for communication and help stakeholders understand the project's trajectory. 4. Seamless collaboration, fostering teamwork. Effective project execution hinges on seamless team collaboration. Nifty facilitates this through built-in communication tools, including project-level discussions and direct messaging. Team members can ask questions, share updates, and provide feedback directly within the context of the project or specific tasks. Imagine a design team working on a new logo. Instead of sending emails back and forth with design iterations, they can upload the mockups to the relevant task in Nifty and have a focused discussion with comments and annotations directly on the design. This eliminates the clutter of email threads and ensures that all communication is tied to the specific deliverable. This emphasizes the significance of clear and contextual communication in project success.